Welcome to Orion Auto Update. Today, we dive into one of the most anticipated motocross bikes of the year, the 2025 KTM 350 SXF. KTM has once again refined its winning formula, blending power, agility, and cutting-edge technology to create a machine that stands out in the competitive motocross segment. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 KTM 350 SXF is its advanced 350cc single-cylinder (DOHC) engine. Known for bridging the gap between the lighter 250cc models and the more powerful 450cc machines, the 350 SXF offers the perfect balance of power and handling. This updated version features optimized fuel injection, revised valve timing, and improved throttle response, ensuring stronger mid-range torque and peak power output. Whether launching off the gate or tackling technical sections, riders will experience smooth yet aggressive power delivery. Chassis and suspension. KTM has fine-tuned the chromoly steel frame, enhancing both rigidity and flex for superior cornering and stability. The latest WPXACT air fork with air technology offers improved damping characteristics, reducing rider fatigue and increasing confidence on rough terrain. The rear shock has been revised for better traction and control, allowing riders to push the limits with ease. Electronics and rideability. The 2025 KTM 350 SXF comes equipped with an advanced traction control system, launch control, and multiple engine maps, giving riders the flexibility to adapt to different track conditions. The quickshifter, introduced in previous models, is now further refined for seamless gear changes under acceleration. Additionally, the handlebar-mounted switchgear allows easy adjustments on the fly, making the riding experience more intuitive than ever. Design and ergonomics. The 2025 model sports updated bodywork with improved rider triangle ergonomics for better grip and control. A redesigned seat and a more streamlined fuel tank contribute to better weight distribution and maneuverability. KTM's bold graphics and signature orange frame ensure that this bike not only performs at its best but also looks stunning on the track. Final thoughts. KTM has once again proven why they dominate the motocross world with the 2025 KTM 350 SXF. Offering a perfect blend of power, control, and innovation, this machine is built to excel in both amateur and professional racing. With its lightweight chassis, refined electronics, and improved suspension, the 350 SXF continues to be one of the most versatile choices for motocross riders. Stay tuned to Orion Auto Update for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and updates. Let us know your thoughts on the 2025 KTM 350 SXF in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.